Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. It's me, Magnetic Jessie. I just wanted to say real quick before I begin eating, because I'm really hungry and it is Haitian food. I have a like page on Facebook. I know I put a link on Facebook before and people were contacting me on there and I didn't know because I was too busy on Instagram. So I created a like page. The link is in the bio. Yeah. So this right here is called legume. It's like a whole bunch of vegetables. I'm just gonna get right to it. Y'all know that's how I do. And this is how it looks. And then there's white rice. I do know how to make it myself, but sometimes you just don't feel like cooking. And then there's like bean sauce. And then the utensils. Like I'm gonna try to do it with a fork. Try. I say try because I usually spoon for everything. Anyway, I'm gonna put some in here. I know I said I was gonna do a non-talking one, but I'll do it. And I know I'm supposed to do a burping challenge. My sister, she's just been busy at work. So, yeah. And then put this on top. I wonder how I could do it where you guys can see it better. Let's see. Yeah, I got ginger ale, so. Well, let me see if I could position it better. Hold on. This is the best I can do, so. Yeah. Then you put like the sauce pois. That's what they call it. Yes, I'm Haitian. And then you put the vegetable on top. People eat it different. They got carrots in it, got cabbage in it, but it tastes so good. You guys go search for like Haitian mukbangs and then you'll see people who aren't Haitian how much they like it. We got meat in that, but I'm not a meat eater. But I do like shrimp. I usually make it with crab. So good. Really good. Look. The cabbage. See? The carrot. Guys, don't mind the wall. My son, he writes on it. He puts stickers. I let him be a kid, you know? Guys, you know I always say this. Or do I? Or do I think about it all the time? Single life sucks. A lot. And then there's perks to it. Nobody's bothering you. You're not worrying about somebody's cheating on you. None of that. It's so good. Nah, I typically don't eat rice. It's very rare I eat rice. Okay? Ready? Because the videos that was going viral on Facebook about plastic rice. Oh, guys. I meant to tell you. Hold on. I'm trying to fix the camera, but yeah. I'm really trying to get a better angle, but whatever. Yeah, so follow me on Instagram, my like page. I did a like page because it would be easier to respond back. It's easier to respond back. And I will be doing live mukbangs. Of course, this is going to be better. And then you guys can, like, ask me questions. I'm an open book, you know. So, it would be fun. Okay, look at that. Look at this. It's so heavy. It's so heavy. Sometimes people eat it without the bean sauce, but I put bean sauce on it. Sometimes I eat it without, actually. I don't remember the last time I had this, but the burping challenge. Again, I want to do that with my sister because I'd rather compete with someone. So, that'll be next. I know a lot of people are like, when are you gonna do another mukbang? So here's it. I'm gonna upload every Wednesday. Something about Wednesday. Maybe I should do Tuesday because I was born on Tuesday. What should I think? Do you guys have a preference? Why am I so full? My God. I'm ready to fall down my chest. Like, two people told me that I should put music playing in the background of my videos and stuff like that. And I'm like, I'm not doing makeup tutorial. This is not a makeup tutorial, you know? This is a mukbang. Research it and figure it out. You know what I mean? I feel like I need to burp. Whew. It's there, but anyway. Still underneath there, you know. So if my like mood is not like typical like how it usually is, it's because I waited so long for this food. Like oh my God. Like I waited so long for the food. Oh, there that one go. I told you it was underneath. I waited so long for the food, so it was like, you know, it was irritating. Waiting for them. I Grubhub. Okay. I Grubhub. I call them an hour later, like over an hour. I read my phone. Oh yeah. They asked me what the order was. Told them. They said, oh yeah, it's on the way. It's only like a 15-minute walk, if that. 10 minutes, not even. I could get there in 5. I forgot. I have to work tonight, so I don't feel like going out, you know? Anyway. I called. Always come in. I had my sister call them 2 times. 2 times. Ridiculous. Oh my god, I'm so full. I'm really full. What did I eat earlier? I had, sorry if I'm like so like mellow and zones and really out. Because they really took long with the food, and who messes with people's food? Then when they came, they're like, they wanted to see proof that it was ordered, because I guess it had to be reordered. I would have gotten my money back, but they don't really do the refund on Grubhub. I don't have time for it. And I was hungry, and I really love Haitian food. And oh my goodness, guys, like, they make the best Haitian food. Like, they make the best Haitian food. It sucks. It sucks when you have bad customer service. But the food is awesome. But let me see, guys. Oh, okay. Sorry. Oh, I'm about to burp. Yeah. I really should have done the burping one by myself while I'm just drinking. You know what? That's what I'll do next. I'm just going to get like some soda. I'm going to sit here and I'm going to talk. And I'm going to burp. What do you guys think about that? Because I love burping. I love burping so much. I'm like, when I'm like at work or out and about and I burp, I'm like, oh, that was a good burp. Like, I should have recorded that. I should have recorded that. I should have recorded that. Because I didn't know, like, when I first was doing mukbangs that people are actually into the burping. You know what I mean? Because I'm like, but in all actuality, in real life, I'm like, ah. And I'm looking at the person like, okay, that's human nature. Like, you don't burp? Oh my god, there's a fly. Oh my god. That's right by the outside window. A lot of freaking bushes. Nonsense. But yeah. And in reality, when I burp in public, I'm like, so what? It is natural. Guys, I must say, I didn't know there was a lot of people that's into, I know this is food. If you have like a weird stomach or whatever, then close your eyes and ears. Don't read my lips. I didn't know a lot of people was into, besides burping, you know, the noise from the other end. Yeah. A lot of you guys messaged me about that. And I got a few asking me if my shoes smell. Like, whatever you're into, cool, right? But I respond, no, I don't have shoes that smell. And two said corn chips. Asked if it smell like corn chips. And I'm like, no, I don't. Because I really don't have shoes that smell. Because I typically buy shoes, and then once I'm done with them, I throw them out and I get another one. Like the sneaker that I have, maybe it just made a year, and that's like Puma from Rihanna. You know what I mean? And I wear flip-flops in the summertime, I wear shoes, and they don't smell. So, I don't know. Yeah. Maybe I should try to get them to smell. You know what I mean? Like, I mean, again, whatever you're into, like, I'm not knocking it. It's just that I didn't know that was a thing. Crazy part is I like weird, meaning, like, you're different. If that's what you're into, then that's what you're into. You know what I mean? But, I'm just like, I don't know. I don't know if it seemed like I'm looking at the camera, but I'm looking at myself. Maybe I need to look this way. But if I look this way, I can't see myself here. So this was more like, look and see my son there. And he is. It's more like a talking kind of show. Oh my gosh, it's already 5. Okay, let me hurry up because I have to get to work. I'm actually full, but I have to get to work. You know, today is Wednesday. Like I said, it's going to be my upload day. But today's Wednesday, right? Me waiting all this time for this food. I could have waited till now and get some soup because they got some bomb ass soup. That junk be finished like right away. Sometimes you gotta call and you know what? Sometimes you gotta call and have your what are they? You know what? Let me start burping. Let me see if I could do that. Let's do that, guys. Why should I wait? Maybe I could do it towards the end, right? I'm full, but I could drink. Let me see. Let me see if I could get a good one. So, I don't know. I know some people's like, really? You're really burping? But this is why I always put in the title that I have burps in there. Whether it be 1, 2, 5, or 6. You know? Let's see. Oh my God, I'm so full. Like, I'm full, guys. If I wasn't so full, I'll show you my stomach. But I can't even. I am. What? Full. I can't believe this. I can't even burp full. Guys. Wait. I don't know, guys. Oh my God. I am super full. Okay, but. And then, I still got a lot of rice left. A lot of legume left. Having big breasts sucks because, like, my neck hurts. I think I'm stressed. I know y'all like, what's up with her today? You know, sometimes you just have those days. Like, I'm not sure, like, let's see. Again, I'm not a role model, so if you're a kid or whatever the case may be, and you're going to comment, oh my God, you have your breasts out, put on some clothes, like, fuck off and go suck on your mom's tit. Like, I'm not here to be a role model. Again, I'm not here to be a role model. So, I've said it before, I'm going to say it again. I'm not here to be a role model. I'm here to be myself, and that's that. Okay? Back to having big breasts. It hurts. Look, you see the indent? Uh-oh. You see the indent? You see that? That's like, you know, thinking about getting some breast reduction. I know a lot of people pay for these, but my goodness. The back pain, the neck pain is like starting to catch up. It's starting to catch up. But, yeah. Let me hurry up and get ready to go to work. I know this mukbang is like not like, you know, how I usually do it, but yeah. So let me reach this and get close and say thank you guys for watching. I would like for you guys to follow my Instagram. Actually, I'm gonna make another Instagram. It's just gonna be solely for mukbangs. But you guys can follow my personal Instagram. Oh, let me look over here. You guys can follow my personal Instagram page or whatever the case may be. Also, follow the link below of Facebook. Who remember YouTube when you had to say, oh, link on the side, but now it's like below? That was so dope. That's when I was like started doing like my makeup, and I'm thinking about doing another makeup page. So yeah, thumbs up, thumbs down, I don't care. This video, I wouldn't blame it for getting like thumbs down because it's not like my usual, you know what I mean? Also follow me on Snapchat. I'm wild and crazy over there, so they say, but I think that's normal because that's just me. But yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. Follow me, follow me, follow me. And next Wednesday, I am going to post. And then the Wednesday after that, and the Wednesday after that, and the Wednesday after that. Subscribe to my channel. Like, subscribe. And also, I'll have to do an intro for my page for this eating. That's what I'll do. But yeah, thanks for watching.